Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. In case you guys are just joining us for the first time, my name is Andrew Williams da Silva. It's really a good one today. I'm really happy today because I just did good things like going to church, and you guys already know I'm a born again. I'm a Christian. Yeah, not really a born again though. I've given my life to Christ. Um, I am, and you know, if I'm not, I won't be here with you guys. And let's just talk about I'll be taking you guys to my previous video. The previous video we made had a lot of reviews on my Instagram because I had a lot of people were sending me direct messages to my Instagram, which was quite which was cool. Yeah, in case you want to talk to before we go too far, uh, if you're just joining us for the first time, you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, click the link on the down below, subscribe. Come on, join into the team. We are never stopping team. We are never gonna stop. We're just coming in here. We're just coming to break the market. We're coming to eat this forex market. Yeah, that's what we're here for. And you guys already know. I'm still getting used to you people. Yeah, like if I'm not mistaken, this is my third video, and you could see the progress going on, and I'm just trying to get used to you guys and give you guys fluent. And with what I'll be doing now, I won't be taking too much time before I drop the next videos. So I'll be staying familiar with you guys, and you guys will be getting familiar with each other. You know what I mean. Yeah. Today is a good day. And we're banging in on forex today because, well, this video is actually for, well, if you're a beginner, intermediate, you're beginner trader, intermediate trader. Oh, 2 seconds, please. Um, oops. Yeah, done. Just trying to put my trading view back on because yeah, we did one video talking about Bitcoin, but right now, Bitcoin is not doing too good. Still the same. It's still consolidating at this point. But we're going to talk about Bitcoin another day. That's not why we are here. We're here to go into the forex market. First thing first, forex. Yeah, what is forex? Um, yeah, what is forex? In case you're just joining us for the first time, let me explain forex to you. Forex is a short form of foreign exchange. Yeah, forex is a short form of foreign exchange, and you can also call it FX. Yeah, you can call it FX, and that's like the short form of calling foreign exchange also. And like you guys already know, it's the largest and the most liquidated financial market in the world, with estimate of 7.5 trillion, if I'm not mistaken. 7.5 trillion of liquidity every day. Not even every day, in a year. That's as of 2022. Yeah. So you see, and these are the comprises of forex, these are the comprises of foreign exchange. Like whatever you go to a different, let me come back down to a layman understanding. Let me just explain it briefly. Like wherever you go around across the globe, you're going to need in fact, you're going to participate in forex. Let me explain it in that way. Yeah, wherever you go across the globe, if you go from this country to another country, like yeah, you move from UK to America, from America to UK, you have to go into the forex market to exchange your money. You have to change your money. Like you guys already know, you can't move from UK. Okay, let's say for a fact now you're in America like this now, and you're going to United Kingdom, and you're going with your dollar, your US dollars, to the United Kingdom. Now tell me, are you going to take that US dollars and take it to the United Kingdom and spend it? No, you can't do that. What are you supposed to do? When you get to the to the airport, you arrive at the airport. first thing you do, you look for bureau de change, or you look, that is where you get to exchange the dollar to the pound. So what were we saying? Pardon me, I'm not feeling too good today because I'm just having sore throat. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So like we were saying, if you come to UK and you just want the United Kingdom and you just want to transact with them, first thing you do, you have to change your US dollars to the British pound. In that form and that process, you're already participating in the forex market. So every day, a lot of people travel from this country to that country. Just imagine people traveling every day. So it's just something that everyone participating in one or two ways without even knowing. Yeah, because a lot of people don't even know they're into forex. And if you come about forex, a lot of people will be like, "Oh no, I don't want to go there. I don't want to go." But you are already participating in forex. You buying, in fact, you using your currency in wherever country you are, you're also participating in forex market. So like that's just how it is. And we have other financial markets also. Like we got stocks, we got the stock market, we got the commodities market, we got the cryptocurrency market, we got the derivative market. I think those are the four. And with what I can tell you, yeah, forex market is the biggest. And this is what, like, wherever you go to, like I said, you have to change into the currency. So that is forex. That is what is forex. You can call it forex, you can call it FX, foreign exchange, whatever. But you know, like I just said it to you now, and I just explained it to you now, you have to understand that everyone is participating in forex market. That is how your economy keeps evolving, and it just keeps going wherever country you are. That keeps the currency, the country economy stable, because you have to transact and you have to do some stuff. All right, yeah. So now we're going to the commodity. Yeah, we are going to the various market that we have under the what do I call it, under financial markets. These are yeah, we got stocks market. This is like equity market, like Apple, Amazon, etc. Like this stock market now allows you to buy shares in a stock, like you buying a part of Apple. Let's say Nike, yeah. Like a lot of you like to buy Nike shoe, like Nike boots, yeah, like F1, F1s and all. Yeah, you already know. 2 seconds. Um, yeah, F1s. Yeah, F1s. Yeah, I'm talking about myself, man. I love the F1s. Like that's probably one of my favorite pairs of shoes. You know, Apple, Amazon. Like that's like a stock market also. Intel. These are stocks that you can participate in by buying and holding them, and like just keeping them for a main time, and buying them, in fact buying them, selling them. These are like things you could do when you are having stocks, and you could keep them also. Yeah, like it's very good. I do have some stocks in my portfolio, so you know. I'm not going to tell you the particular one I'm having. That's for another day. Yeah, and we just mentioned the stock market, and we got the commodities market. The commodities market comprises of gold, silver, metals, and yeah, we got various type of commodities. We got common commodities. Yeah, we have yeah, we've got like yeah, common commodity, and we got the hard one. Yeah, we got hard commodities and soft commodities also. That's true. Yeah, which are the ones I just mentioned, and we got commodities as maize, beans, flour, and yeah, stuff like that. Not like you could buy it and keep it, or like these are stuff that you could trade on the financial market also. Like you could trade it on Binance and stuff like, yeah. You can trade, yeah, you could trade metals like gold, silver, and all. Yeah, you could do that. And let me switch to the next one, which is a cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency market is like yeah, one of the biggest, also one of the largest, also, which the liquidation in that market is crazy, which is, you already know, we got Bitcoin, we got Ethereum, we got Solana, we got Binance, we got XRP, whatever, and so on. Like that is where I am specialized in, actually, because I started with crypto. Let me just come in playing with that. I started with crypto, so I understand more of crypto more. That's why you can see my favorite pair is Bitcoin, and that's what I've been doing for a long time. And shout out to my team, shout out to my boys, my men, my brothers. You already know the unlimited man, man. They keep going, man. Those boys are hard. They keep stunning in the market. They keep giving me some clarity into the market. Like recently, my one of me and my team were just having a conversation on the crypto market, which is Bitcoin at this point. He was just telling me what's the next move of Bitcoin, and I looked into it. I was like, wow, like, I'll tell you, these young lads are really doing good because they're like focused on the market. They already know much about the market because they are like every day into the market, especially when it comes to Bitcoin. And shout out to my team also, Never Stop Market. We've been trading cryptocurrency, buying and selling, and we're based in our country, our home country, which is Nigeria. Yeah, and I want to tell you, if you are not trading with them, go and trade with them. Their name on Instagram is unlimited unlimited ng. Yeah, unlimited ng, unlimited xng, unlimited x.ng. Trade with them. Yeah, they're very good, reliable, fast. And yeah, let's jump into what we're talking about. Yeah, we got the cryptocurrency market, which comprises of Bitcoin, Ethereum, like I already told you guys, and it is very, very volatile. It's very, very volatile, and there's a lot of liquidity in that market also. It's not a market you could play with. And yeah, that's in crypto market. And we're moving on to the derivatives market now. The derivative market is just like trading S&P 500. Yeah, you guys should be familiar with S&P 500. Like that's a derivative market, and yeah, you could trade S&P 500. Yeah, they are very, very volatile also, very, very volatile. In fact, I don't even go there. Not that I don't trade derivatives, but I used to at the early stage of my career, but I stopped trading because I don't really get the pattern of the derivatives. I don't really get the pattern. You see, like they got like different sets, different pairs, and in fact, you could still trade Bitcoin, gold. I think, yeah, you could trade gold on derivatives also. So it comprises of you could see like other markets in there, and you could trade them also. So it's something that you could look into, and you could just make sure you understand it better before jumping into that market, because I tell you, it's really, really volatile. Take note. Don't do what you don't know, because don't play with your money, please. Don't play with your money. Your money is very, very precious to you, and I'll tell you, you won't want to lose it, especially when it comes to this forex market. In the forex market, man, you go cry, you go really cry. This market no get pity you. Sorry, please. I'm just trying to put my screen on. I don't know what's happening with my screen, man. After 5 minutes, the thing will just off. Like, I swear, man. Make I no go call. Sorry, YouTube. I don't even know, man. I'm just saying crazy. I'm just saying things, and yeah, I'm just trying to come together. I'm trying to joke. I still want to talk to you guys. I still want to know you guys more. If there's any issues like that you guys are going through in the forex market, or wherever you guys are going, most especially in the cryptocurrency market, which I am merely specialized in, you could just come to my Instagram channel, give me a chat, drop a chat there. Definitely I will respond. I'm really, really active on my Instagram. Yeah, I'll say it again. I'm really, really active on my Instagram. So you could just give me a chat on Instagram. You could see it there on my bio, and I have yeah, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, you could give me a chat on Instagram. I'll respond to you. Yeah, I had a couple of chats on my last previous video, which was about Bitcoin. Yeah, a lot of people sent me messages telling me about, oh yeah, what's the best coin to buy at this point? What's the best coin to? Well, I'm not going to say it here, but I just bought a coin now that I'm holding, and I bought loads of it that I'm holding, but I'm not gonna say it here. Probably maybe in my next video, I'm just gonna talk about that. I just said let me just pop in today and just say hi and say hello. And please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go down, hit the subscribe button right there. And like I said, subscribe, share, drop any chat, any troubling message, drop any topic you want me to talk about, drop anything you want me to talk about. Like, we're just getting started. We'll still keep going, and I will be making more of these videos for you guys to understand more on forex market, the financial market, and the foreign exchange. In fact, we'll be dealing more on everything. We'll be touching more on everything now, because now I want to feel you guys. I want you guys to express yourself more. You know, this is what we're just chatting, and I'm telling you, we're never gonna stop. We'll keep improving. I know we're just getting started. There might be a little bit of mistakes here and there, but I tell you, the more we keep going, the more we get perfection. And we're not even chasing perfection. We're just trying to enlighten you guys. We're just trying to stay with you guys. We're never chasing perfection, because no one is perfect in life, you know. But we'll keep evolving, and we'll keep improving in every aspect. All right, thank you guys for watching today. Thank you guys, God bless you. And I want to say from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate everyone. Thank you. Yeah, peace out, see you. Yeah, bye.